Okay. Now I'll show you the screen, what you could see in it. Yes.
Tata.
Can you see the screen now?
So there is
Can
a
you
lot
see the
of
screen
difference between
now?
human being. Yes, sir. Thank you. Tata, sir. Tata.
Yes, please speak.
Jadi, Tata. Hello.
Okay, please read. Okay, okay. Tata, whatever it be, you read.
Jadi. Okay. There is
Okay,
a lot of
okay, okay. Now you read.
difference between human being and being human. If you
Yes,
understand it.
yes. So it is the industrialist J.D. Tata, because even I could not know, because I could not familiar with it. If you are familiar with it, I think you may be right. And this thing which I want to post it. And another point is the children. Regarding the children's are, we'll say the incarnation of God. Children's are incarnation of God. We can say the greatest gift you can give your children are the roots of responsibility and the wings of independence. Always kiss your children good night if they are already asleep also. Children must be taught how to think, not what to think. And every child you encounter is a divine appointment. And children are great imitators, so give them something great to imitate. And children are the like wet cement. Whatever the falls on them makes an impression. And children are the backbone of tomorrow. So today children, they are going to be the backbone of tomorrow. Hence, we have to take the children in a good manner, because they are going to be the citizens and the full backbone of the nation. That's what I want to share with you. So now we will come back to the secondary rules are concerned. We discussed it. Now you tell me that Shesha Tarangaru, how many that we discussed in the secondary rules, which I put it on the screen. Please read and inform. Yes.
Adjudum generis meaning of the same kind.
We did it or not?
Sir, secondary rules of
We did it or not?
Acha.
We did it or not అంటే మనం చదివామా లేదా?
Why Degra sir? Just I am going through one by one. One by one I am going through. I am going through one by one.
Yeah. We dealt in detail Aegis and Generis. And the second is Nasaiter Assasis. We also dealt in a beautiful manner with examples and slides. Expressio inias est exclusio alterias. I repeat, expressio inias est exclusio alterias. We dealt it yesterday. Because ma mogolla mata, that means adolu is not allowed. It is exclusively for the mogolu. That means that is exclusively for the man. And this also we did it in a detailed manner and with an example. When you joined yesterday, the last, then I also tell people, those who wants to come to the party, let them come with the red color or the white color or the black color total dress. So that is the other people, those are coming to the party will be eliminated. And that also we did it. Also we gave the example stating that gifts are accepted only of metal, gold, silver, and diamond. So these are the only the three will be accepted. That means platinum is not accepted. Any other metal like the brass or aluminum or indalium or iron or any copper will not be accepted. That is the thing we dealt in the yesterday class. Then comes the fourth one is concerned. The fourth one is concerned. The fourth one is concerned. Yes, you tell me. Read fourth one.
Sir, please keep it like that only. This I am taking a photo, sir. I am taking a photo.
If you want, if you see that, if you see that even YouTube also, you will get the total thing of my screen. Yes, come to the point. Read the fourth one. Read the fourth one. That means either you are out of the my coverage or you are not reading.
Sir, here is sir. I'm coming with another camera. Another to take a to take a photo of this sir.
I
To
will
because
I will give you in the YouTube today class. Don't worry. Don't take the photo because it is there in the YouTube now. I'm going to keep it in the YouTube. You need not to take the photo also. Read the fourth one.
have taken sir. Have taken sir. Have taken. Okay, thank you.
Read the fourth
At a place,
one.
at a place we cannot get all these things. Okay,
Read
thank
the
you.
fourth one.
Redondo singular singularities.
This
So
means we
that term
also
that
dealt the
means
question. We
when
also
every
dealt
each
it.
each yes sir, yes sir.
We
Each
also
one
dealt it. This is a redondo singular singulis where we give the examples. Drawing for the sword and loading for the
sword
pistol.
and sword and bullet.
Yes, yes, that we think, and devising and Beckwith also we made the real property and personal property, introducing and the other thing like a bill. We also did the another example that is the Balaga example. Then the fifth one is going to deal today is the uterus magis velet quam perit. That means is a rule of construction, which literally means the construction of a rule should give effect to the rule rather than destroying it. So, whenever you are giving any interpretation to any statute, definitely there is some intention of the parliamentarian would be there. With that purpose only, they have prepared the statute or they enacted the statute. Yes. Any other doubt you want to clear? Your voice, otherwise, I could see you. I could hear your otherwise. Okay, now we'll come to the matter of the thing is concerned. Yes, that is utre magis valet comparate, that what it says and how it can be done. We will see with one example. Then I put it the same thing in the yes, the first one I will make it out contemporaneous. This is the thing, this contemporaneous. Then this is actually it is the uter. Uterus means utare, UTE, yeah. So now we'll come to the, this example is concerned, yes, which I shared on the screen. You may see the screen now, and it is there in the screen. Of course, I will enlarge it so that you could see the screen in a better manner. Yes, I enlarge it. Yes. Now you can see the screen in a better manner. That is a it res magis valet comparate. Yes, tell me, Sheshataram Garu, what I put it on the screen. Yes, tell me.
Address, sir, address magis valet quam pirate.
Hmm.
ये पूरा Latin words है ना सब ये.
Oi, Latin, what is a at res magis valet comparate? That means we want to see that the meaningful things should come out, but it should not be destroyed or it become a void. That is the meaning of it, which I gave it already. Now you tell me. Of course, Ramarao Garu also joined it. Welcome, welcome. Yes, Ramarao Garu. A person is cooking something in the negative. What is negati? Negati. What do you say that thing in Hindi? Okay, you can say something is preparing on the
What
stove. Either you
is preparing
speak
some
or allow me to speak. Yes, you speak or allow me to speak.
is preparing some food sir, food.
He is preparing what food? Is it a rice?
Not rice sir.
It is
We
a
have only
curry.
single
Curry curry. What
curry.
are the other things you could see adjacent to that stove?
Stove is there. Stove बोले तो it is chulha is there.
Adjacent to the stove. Adjacent అంటే పక్కకు అన్నట్టు. Adjacent to the stove ఏం చూసారు ఇంకా?
పక్కన some మసాలా ద్రవ్యాలు ఉన్నాయి సార్. మసాలా or ఆయిల్ బాటిల్ है.
Some bottles you could see with some containers. Then another plate is there containing the all the curry items over there. Then you could see the another bottle which is containing the salt.
Salt and there is a this thing also curry's bowl is there. Curry's bowl is there. Yes.
Curry bowl la curry unnadi. వెసల్ అన్నా నేను కర్రీ బౌల్లా కర్రీ ఉన్నది. నౌ వాట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు షో ఈజ్ హీ ఈజ్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ ద కర్రీ. Then he tasted it. Then he found there is no salt. So he added the salt. Then again he is preparing. While he is preparing, he touched even the curry, say that vegetarian curry. So it is having potato. Then he tasted the potato. Still potato is not tender. If the potato is not tendered, then what he has to do? Yes, give me the answer.
Sir, are you able to see this potato, etc., sir?
నేను చెప్పాను, నేను పొటాటో ఉన్నది అనుకున్నాను, చెప్పాను. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి,
ఇంకా ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి.
అచ్చా, అడగండి సార్, మళ్ళీ అడగండి సార్, మళ్ళీ అడగండి సార్.
If that potato is not tendered one, then what he has to do?
Again he has to cook in the in that fire bucket.
That means again you have to cook some more time so that the potato will be tendered. Suppose if you find mutton, peas, mutton ఏమంటారండి, మటర్ ని పీస్ అంటారు, PES, పీస్, బఠానీలు.
Oh sir,
if it is not tender, what he has to do?
Again he has to cook.
He has to see that it should be tendered. కానీ చెప్తాను మళ్ళీ, కానీ అది ఉప్పు లేదని పడేసిండా అండి దాన్ని? ఉప్పు means without salt, whether he has thrown the curry.
No sir,
he has not thrown the curry, but he added the salt. Suppose if it is not tender potatoes, whether he has thrown the curry?
No sir, no. Again,
he cooked it. He cooked some more time. He cooked some more time. Is it or not?
Yes sir, yes.
Again, when the peas are not tendered, again he cooked some more time, but he has not thrown out. But he has not
thrown out.
That means he utilized the curry. He used the curry in the same manner. If something is not come out from the statute, we cannot say the statute is void, the statute is useless. We try to mend the statute and give one meaning to another meaning, another meaning to another meaning, another meaning to another meaning. Total the conclusion will see that what is the intention of the parliamentarian. Then we have to come to the conclusion to say that yes, the statute also true, it is not void or it is not useless. That is the maxim. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, ఇప్పుడు maxim అర్థం ఏంటిది? Yes, what the maxim says now? మీకు స్క్రీన్ మీద షేర్ చేశాను. రామారావు గారు ఉట్టిగా పెట్టద్దు, మాట్లాడాలా. ఓన్లీ నాట్ యూ సైలెంట్ స్పీకర్. read the 5th magazine. What is the equivalent? Read. దీన్ని బట్టి చూస్తే భక్తులారా ఉన్నారు, జస్ట్ జాయిన్ అయ్యారు, వెళ్ళిపోయారు. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ రీడ్ ఇట్, డోంట్ వర్రీ. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద రూల్ ఆఫ్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ విచ్ లిటరల్లీ మీన్ ద కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ రూల్ ఈ షుడ్ గివ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ టు ద రూల్ రేదర్ దెన్ డిస్ట్రాయింగ్ ఇట్. సార్ మంత్రాలు చదువుతాను రా, సార్ పాఠం చదువుతాను రా, సార్ చదువుతాను రా. ఇట్ మీన్స్, వినబడుతుందా అండి భక్తులారా? ఒక్కసారి చెప్పండి, భక్తులారా ఉన్నారా లేరా? గట్టిగా ఇద్దరు. ఒకటే శబ్దం వస్తుంది నాకు, రెండో శబ్దం వస్తలేదు. ఇప్పుడు రెండో శబ్దం కూడా విన్నాను. అంటే భక్తులారా తెలివిగా ఉన్నారు. మై స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ అలర్ట్, నాట్ బోత్ బాడీలీ అండ్ ఫిజికల్లీ as well as mentally present. Yes, come to the point is, construction of a rule should be given effect to the rule rather than destroying it. మనం డిస్ట్రాయ్ చేసినామండి కర్రీని. ఏం చేసినావు దాన్ని? మేకింగ్ ద ఎఫెక్టివ్ రూల్ రేదర్ దాన్ డిస్ట్రాయింగ్ ఇట్. దీన్ని అంటారు యుటెరస్ మ్యాగిస్ వెలియట్ కాంపెరేట్. That means whatever the maximum is given over there, we try to make use of it and see that a meaningful thing should not come out, even though the meaning, the different meaning will be taken over there, but we should not see that it will be destroyed. Thus is the essence of this maxim. Yes, now I will see the another one, the slide. Yes, uterus magis velet
Sir,
quamperit. Yes, లిటిల్ వర్డ్.
sir.
నేను మధ్యలో ఆగుతానండి, ఆగినప్పుడు మీరు అడుగుతా, మీరు చెప్పండి సార్ అనాలా.
Okay,
ఎస్, నౌ యూ టెల్ మీ.
sir.
నేను దారిలో పోయేటప్పుడు మధ్యలో మాట్లాడింది అనుకోండి, వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్? 3 చెప్పండి నాయి. మై లెగ్స్ ఆర్ ఫెటర్డ్, మై హ్యాండ్స్ ఆర్ హ్యాండ్ కఫ్డ్, మై టంగ్ ఈస్ టైడ్. నాకు ఏమాత్రం శబ్దం వచ్చినా నేను ముందట సాగలేను. బట్ ఐ విల్ బ్రేక్ ఇట్ అండ్ ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్ యూ. I will break it and I will ask you. I will give the interval, then I will ask you. I will give the interval, then I will ask you. But don't speak in the middle.
Okay, sir.
I will give the space and ask you. Okay, right. Come to the point. Is the Latin word is uterus magis valet quamperit. It means, English meaning is, it is better for a thing to have effect than to be made wide. Now you tell me. You read. What is the English meaning? Now you read. Yes.
Latin word uterus magis valent quam.
English meaning చదవండి. English meaning చదవండి.
It is better for a thing to have effect than to be made it void.
అంటే అర్థం, కూరను పడేయకండి, దాన్ని సవరించండి, సవరించి దాన్ని యూటిలైజ్ చేయండి అన్నట్టు అర్థం. ఎస్, ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్. రామారావు గారు చదవండి ఇంకోటి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్. స్పెల్లింగ్ చూడండి, ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ స్పెల్లింగ్. నాయన నీ దండం పెడతా, అది కాదు స్పెల్లింగ్ రాసింది. ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కు XPLANETA అయి ఉండదు అక్కడ. ఓకే, కమ్ టు ద రీడ్. రామారావు గారు, యూ రీడ్ ఇట్ ఆర్ ఎనీ అదర్ పర్సన్ అదర్ దెన్ ద శేషావతారం.
In case of making a contract between two parties, it may happen that the contract made between themselves contains many mistake or flaw. This maximum says even though contract contains many inadequacy,
Inadequacy.
it will
Inadequacy.
inadequacy of fact,
It will be.
ఏదో అడగొచ్చు సార్.
It will be valid.
Valid.
It will be.
And it is.
And it
better
is.
To be,
and it is better to be. It is better to be. It is better to be declared as a void. అది అన్నట్టు. శేషావతార గారు, అనోటేషన్ పెట్టకండి, ఎందుకంటే అది పెట్టిందే 4 లైన్లు. ఇక అనోటేషన్ పెట్టాక నాకు డబుల్ పని అవుతుంది. ఓకే, కమ్ టు ద మ్యాటర్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ ఎక్స్ప్లనేషన్. ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ మేకింగ్ ఏ కాంట్రాక్ట్ బిట్వీన్ ద టూ పార్టీస్, ఇట్ మే హ్యాపెన్ దట్ ద కాంట్రాక్ట్ మేడ్ ఏ బిట్వీన్ దెమ్సెల్వ్స్ కంటైన్స్ ఏ మెనీ మిస్టేక్స్ ఆర్ ఫ్లాస్. ఈ కాంట్రాక్ట్ లో సపోజ్ ఆఫర్లు కానీ యాసెప్ట్లు కానీ ఏదన్నా తక్కువ ఉన్నది అనుకుందాం, ఆర్ కన్సిడరేషన్ తక్కువ ఉన్నది అనుకుందాం, ఆర్ the parties at the time of the giving the contract to certain extent not are able to read it, or sufficient stamps are not made, or on the white paper the contract is made without making on the promissory note, or at that instance or without the witnesses. At the time we try to see that those contract could be made valid by writing on the promissory note, by taking the signature of the party with the witnesses, and try to see that the contract is going to be valid by making the adjustment, by making the savarana telugulo, by making the savarana, making the amendment, by making the changes, and see that the contract should be valid. But we see that the contract should not be invalid. అంటే అర్థము, దాంట్లో ఉప్పు కలిపి ఇంకో కొంచెం మంట పెట్టి, then we have to make the tender the potatoes, we have to tender the peas, then we have to see that should be utilized rather than the throwing the whole curry. అది అన్నట్టు. Then it is a better for a thing to have effect than to be made wide. అబ్బాయి ఎర్రగా లేడు, ఓకే, చామని ఛాయ, కొంచెం పౌడర్ పెడదాం, కొంచెం ఫేర్ అండ్ లవ్లీ పెడదాం, ఓకే, కొంచెం బ్రైట్. సార్ తెల్లగా ఉన్నాయి ఎంటికలు, నేను టైం ఇస్తానన్నాను, టైం ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత నేను మాట్లాడాలి. కొంచెం ఎంటికలు తెల్లగా ఉన్నాయి, ఓకే, కలర్ వేద్దాం. ఇంకేమున్నది, కొంచెం పొట్టి కనబడతాండు, ఓకే, హై హీల్స్ వేద్దాం. అంటే మొత్తానికి అబ్బాయిని రిజెక్ట్ చేయకుండా చేద్దాం, వ్యాలిడేట్ చేద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, ఏం డౌట్ ఉన్నది? Yes. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాలా, మధ్యలో అడగద్దు. నేను సిస్టమ్ టైం ఇస్తా, గ్యాప్ ఇస్తా.
Sir, will you please give an example for such repair in any paragraph of in any act or in any law?
See, I will come to the one of the case law. There I will give you the case law example. కేసు లా వస్తుంది ఒకటి. కేసు లాలో ఏం చేస్తామంటే దాన్ని వైడ్ అనం. ఒకటి కేసు లా ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను నేను. లూరింగ్ ద persons by standing on the street, the case law says, standing on the streets by the harlots, prostitutes, is offense. So the prostitute did not stand on the road or on the street. They're standing in the balcony. They're standing in the threshold. They're standing in their house, but enticing the people, those who are passerbys, are walking on the footpath or footway and luring them, whether they come under this or not. Cheppandi. We discussed this case law in the Michif rule or in the golden rule also.
Yes.
Ante ardham, the intention of the parliamentarian is to make the punishment, either you lure them by standing on the street or by standing on the road or by standing in your balcony or by standing in your own house or by standing on your threshold, but you're doing an act of enticing or luring them to be your customers. Useless ni padedda andi a statute ni padedda. It is not an offense ani. Section ni teesi padedda useless ani. Can you remove the section? Can you removing the section is white? Can't we use it?
Repair it.
We repair it. We extend it. We stretch the meaning. We substitute the meaning, and you see that the word is enticing is an important factor rather than where they are standing. అరే ఫుట్వేర్ ను వదిలిపెట్టి బయట రారా అంటే సాక్స్ వేసుకొని వచ్చిండాడు. రావచ్చా అండి? They say whatever that we want to wear on the foot, it should be removed outside, then you have to get inside. That means anything, either chappal, sandal, shoe, any other thing which you are wearing, including the socks, you are not supposed to come in it in a different sense. Of course, one can come in the socks, provided the socks should not produce a bad odor, bad smell, not odor, bad smell. He can come in some certain exceptions cases. So that is the what is the uterus, magus, valet, compare. Ipudu miru when you go to the market, you purchase the apple. At one side of the apple, it is rotten. Do you throw the entire apple? Give me the answer.
Will not, sir. Will not.
Why?
We should not waste the entire apple. Just to remove the rotten part, and we will take the good part.
You can bargain with the vendor, you can bargain with the hawker. See, it is rotten at one side, hence better you reduce the price. Suppose the price is say about 20 rupees. When the rotten portion is there, quarter, at that instance, say 5 rupees will be deducted, 15 rupees will be paid. Okay, if he agrees, you can buy it. When you go to your home, of course, 15% only rotten is there, then you will be beneficial. Suppose 35% rotten is there, you will be the loser. But anyway, we cannot throw away the entire apple. We cut that part which is rotten over there. Then rest of the part we utilize it in the same manner. But here we are not cutting. We are giving a different shape to the meaning, and see that that would be used over there, and stretching the meaning and enlarging the meaning, then outstretching it, then we are replacing it, we are substituting it, then we are seeing that that statute can be utilized and made be useful. That way that we are doing in one way, in another way, by mending the statute, by mending the words which are used in the statutes. Any other question? Yes, now you can ask me the question.
ठीक है सर
Okay, shall I proceed?
గుడ్డిగడ్డ మెల్లమెల్ల అంటూ
Yes.
గుడ్డిగడ్డ మెల్లమెల్ల
లేనత్త కన్నా మెల్లత్తన్న ఏమంటారు? మళ్ళీ
టోటల్ గా అబాండ్ చేసే బదులు
యా mend it and see that some of the part can be utilized over there. We should not make ultra virus, we can make intravirus. అదే చెప్తుంది లాటిన్ ఫ్రేజ్. ఏం చెప్తుంది ఇక్కడ? ఇట్ ఈస్ బెటర్ ఫర్ ఎ థింగ్ టు హ్యావ్ ఎ ఎఫెక్ట్ దెన్ టు బి మేడ్ వైడ్. I repeat, it is better for a thing to have effect than to be wide. అంటే అర్థము, while interpreting any provisions or law, if there are two interpretations possible, one which is intravirus, while another which is ultravirus. మళ్ళీ మధ్యలో మాట్లాడిండ్రు. నేను టైం ఇస్తా, మీకు టైం ఇస్తా. మీరు మాట్లాడిన అనుకోండి, నేనేం చెప్పాను? మై హ్యాండ్స్ ఆర్ హ్యాండ్ కఫ్డ్, మై టంగ్ ఈస్ టైడ్, మై లెగ్స్ ఆర్ ఫెటర్ అన్నా నేను. I will give the time to you to speak. Yes, while interpreting any provision or law, if there are two interpretations possible, one which is intravirus, while another which is ultravirus, then former interpretation shall be always prevail. Yes, now you can ask the question. You can ask your doubt. Yes. Now you may raise any question, you may raise any doubt. I will give the clarification. Anyone? భక్తులారా ఉన్నారా? మాట్లాడితే ఉన్నట్టు వినబడతలేదు. వేరే భక్తులు మాట్లాడండి. మై స్టూడెంట్స్ ప్లీజ్ స్పీక్. అన్లెస్ అంటిల్ యూ స్పీక్ ఐ కెనాట్ గో ఫర్దర్. ఎస్, ఇప్పుడు వినబడ్డది కొంచెం సప్పుడు, అంటే భక్తులంతా ఉన్నారు. ఎస్, ఎనీ డౌట్? షల్ ఐ ప్రొసీడ్?
నో డౌట్ సార్, నో డౌట్.
ప్రొసీడ్ అనాలా? నో డౌట్ అంటే ప్రొసీడ్ అన్నట్టు అర్థం ఒక విధంగా. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. దెన్ ద సెకండ్ బుల్లెట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు మేక్ ఇట్ అవుట్. ద డాక్ట్రిన్ ఆఫ్ alt res magis valet comparate is also applicable in the interpretation of an instrument or document or deed. Either the instrument or a document or deed, wherever it may be there, we can use this maxim because we want to get the sensible meaning to the statute which is put it there or enacted. That is the want. So next third bullet is a deed has to be read as a whole. ఎప్పుడైనా మొత్తం చదివిన తర్వాతనే మనం అర్థం తీసుకోవాలి, కానీ మధ్యలో ఆపిన తర్వాత అర్థం తీసుకోవద్దు. కాబట్టి నేను మొత్తం చెప్పిన తర్వాత నేను డౌట్ ఇస్తా, మీకు అడుగుతా గానీ, స్పేస్ ఇస్తా గానీ, అప్ టు దట్ ఎక్స్టెంట్ యూ షుడ్ నాట్ స్టాప్ మీ ఇన్ ద మిడిల్. Yes, a deed has to be read as a whole and effect is given to all its parts unless a part of the deed is so inconsistent with the rest of that no effect can be given to it. The law intends to save the deed if possible. That is nothing but what I told about the apple, where the part is 25% is rotten over there, then the severe that part, the rest of the part that you can use it and see that 75% at least it can be utilized. The same thing is given in this bullet. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the answer is please proceed. That is the answer. Okay, then the question comes over there. The fourth one is ut res magis valet comparate. Okay, case law చూద్దాం. ఏం కేస్ లా ఉంటది? The case law is turn back time versus collector of Bombay. Turn back time versus collector of Bombay. In this case law, court held I conceive that a broad and a liberal spirit should be inspire those whose duty is to interpret it. But I don't imply by this that they are free to stretch or pervert the language of enactment in the interest of any legal or constitutional theory. సార్ ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ ఏంటి సార్ ఏమున్నది ఇందులో ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ ఇవ్వలే, ఓన్లీ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఇందులో ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ ఇవ్వలే, ఓన్లీ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఇప్పుడు డొనగవర్సన్ స్టీవెన్సన్ లా ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ ఏంటిదండి, ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఏంటిది చెప్పాలా? డొనగో వర్సెస్ స్టీవెన్సన్ లో ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ ఏంటి, ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఏంటిది? ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ ఏంటంటే దట్ ఏ ఫ్యాన్సీ వాస్ టేకెన్ టు ద బార్ అండ్ షీ వాస్ poured the ginger beer in the first tumbler. There is not a rotten smell, but the second time when poured over there, the rotten smell was floating over there, and when she consumed it, she felt the vomiting and she was hospitalized. And the Fancy's husband, not husband, the other partner filed a case against for the manufacturer. Hence, the manufacturer is liable. And the principle ఏంటి, even though the manufacturer is not a party to the contract, but still he can be made liable. That means proximity would not be considered over there, and proximity is a fallacy in this case law. Kabatti only the principle is given over there, neighborhood principle, and the principle of fallacy, that is the privity is a fallacy. Even though the person who is not a party to the contract can also be sued, because the manufacturer is not part of the contract, but the chain is not broken over there. That is the principle used over there. But here also in the same manner, the principle is put it over there without any fact. Any question? Any question?
No
I
question,
said
sir.
any question?
No question, sir. You can proceed.
సో అసలు సంగతి ఏంటంటే, ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ చెప్పాలంటే ఏం చెప్పాలంటే, ఒకసారి మనం చెప్పాము ప్లాంట్ అన్నాం. మనం ఏమన్నాం? మనం ప్లాంట్ అన్నాం. అర్థం ఏం తీసుకున్నామండి ప్లాంట్ది?
And it can be botanical plant or it industrial plant.
డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ ద కాంటెక్స్ట్ తీసుకున్నామా లేదా?
No, sir.
అయితే ఇన్ ద సేమ్ మేనర్ ఇందులో వాడు కూడా మనం ఏం తీసుకోవాలంటే, ఇప్పుడు ఒకటి ఇందిరా సహాని కేసులా ఉన్నది, మీరు చదివారు కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ లో. ఇందిరా సహాని కేసులా 50% అబోవ్ పెట్టచ్చా అండి మన రిజర్వేషన్?
పెట్టకూడదు సార్. No.
ఒక దాంట్లో ఏమో నల్ అండ్ వైడ్ అన్నాడు, పెట్టకూడదు అన్నాడు. ఒక దాంట్లో పరిస్థితులను బట్టి పెట్టుకోవచ్చు అన్నాడు. మళ్ళీ
ఎవరు సార్? సుప్రీం కోర్టా?
అయితే
52% అయితే సార్. 52% ఓన్లీ.
ఒక దాంట్లో 64% వచ్చింది, అయినా ఇచ్చింది సుప్రీం కోర్ట్. Yes, come to the point. Serial number 1. Plant means a place where an industrial or manufacturing process take place. Okay, meaning. Second meaning is, plant means put a seed or a bulb or a plant in the ground so that it can be grow. Then which meaning could be taken? If you take the plant, serial number 2, seed or bulb which is grown and grows, that will not fit to, as we have to take the first meaning which is a given, because the meaning says the plant is spoiling the environment. Ante the meaning of the first one should be taken. The using the maximum utility, the plant is spoiling the environment means the manufacturing unit is spoiling the environment or environment or environment, but spelling is environment. Now you pronounce environment or environment the way that you want. So a deed has to be read as a whole, and effect is given for all these parts unless the part is deed is so inconsistent with the rest of it, and no effect can be given to it. So this is sometimes expressed in the maxim, uterus magis valet comparet. Aithe this maxim also made it very much clear in one of the case law, Corporation of Calcutta versus Liberty Cinema. Corporation of Calcutta versus Liberty Cinema, ఇందులో కేసులో అలా ఏం చేసిండ్రు, ఫీజు అన్నారా, ట్యాక్స్ అన్నాడా, టారిఫ్ అన్నాడా, ఏమన్నాడు? అక్కడ ఏదైనా ఏమైనా కానీ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ట్యాక్స్ ఉంటుందా లేదా అండి చెప్పండి? Whether the entertainment cess or tariff or tax will be imposed on the owner of the theater or not? Imposed. అయితే బిఫోర్ దట్ వన్ ఏముండేదంటే పర్ షో ఉండేది, నాట్ ఫర్ ద సేల్ ఆఫ్ ది టికెట్స్ ఉండేది. Suppose the sale of the tickets are very few, then the people are acting that fellow is not selling the tickets, he is giving the pass. and he is not showing how many tickets are sold over there. Even though, suppose the capacity of a cinema hall is, let us say, it is 400. The capacity of cinema hall, let us say, it is a 400. But sold out tickets are only 200. So tax would be on the 200 only at the time. But what the people are doing, they are selling houseful, but they are selling only the 200. The 200 they are giving the passes, and they are paying to the government only 200 tax. So now I think after the NT Ramarao or some other government, they say whether you sell one ticket, whether you sell two ticket, what is the capacity of your theater? 400. Up to 400 tax should be paid. Means per show, the total amount of if will be fixed, that will be the entertainment tax, or that will be a tariff. That is the so. Whatever the word that you used it, either you use a tariff, or you use the cost, you use the price, or you use the proportionate, or you use any other thing. But it should be paid over there to the municipal corporation. Here the municipal corporation is the body, and for that one corporation of Calcutta, the Liberty Cinema is the theater. So what is what actually? They said either there are one viewer, watcher, you have to pay the entire one show tax.
Complete.
Either a full, yes, full also only one show tax, because slab is put it over there. If you are running the 4 shows, yes, for one show into 4, you have to pay the entertainment tax. So with that, so many cinema theaters are turned into the halls, malls. Many are, I don't know which one it turned into the mall in the Kottagodam or in the Khammam. But I know here, Hyderabad, the Minerva Theatre is turned into the mall. Of course, even a Lata Theatre also turned into the mall. Even that, what is the theatre? Nampalli, opposite.
एक मीनार मस्जिद के बाजू में
Yes, what is the theatre name?
लता
Lata Talkies only.
संगम also turn like that.
Sangam also turned into the so and so. Even that Mozonjai market, what is that theatre? That is also turned into the mall.
There are 3, sir. There are 3.
Pakkake, fruit mark Pakkake.
Ashoka, Vikram.
I think that is Vikram.
Vikram is there. Ashoka. Actually, there are 3, sir. There are 3 talkies.
Oh, but anyway, but what I want to show is people are turning the theater into mall because there is no profit. Because either the run show 1, show 2, show 3, not for the ticket, for the show. They whatever the wording would be used over there, because the intention of the legislator, either you say fees, or you say tariff, or you say tax, doesn't matter. You have to pay. So that was the interpretation given. Of course, you read the entire case law so that you could understand it. That otherwise they say it is not a tax, it is not a fee, it is not so. The people try to take the exemption. Like the exemption is taken. If you stab, if you cut, if you wound, there is a punishment. But if you bite, there is no punishment. Because you are included only stab, cut and wound. That another yesterday case law I told you. If you made the Mogolla Mata, that means Adolu would be excluded. So when you enumerated tiger and lion, then leopard, cheetah, jaguar will be eliminated. So now here also that here in this maxim, whenever the person comes to the court, let the person should not go with the empty hands. I repeat, whenever a person comes to the court, the person should not go with the empty hand. That means some justice should be done. Number 1. Number 2, whenever the parliamentary has made a certain statute, they try to see the statute should not be destroyed, but a meaningful should have to come out from the statute. Means the parliamentarian and the state legislature, the intention should be fulfilled. In what context they made it and how they made it. In any case, both are not the winners. In the game, can the both are winners? Sir, draw ni winner antara andi? Yes.
No, sir.
డ్రా ని విన్నర్ అనరు. డ్రా ఇస్ ఎ డ్రా ఓన్లీ. కాకపోతే ఫుట్బాల్ మ్యాచ్ లో డ్రా పెట్టకుండా ఏం చేస్తారండి? పెనాల్టీ ఏమంటారు దాన్ని? పెనాల్టీ షాట్స్ ఇస్తారు. డైరెక్ట్ షాట్స్ ఏమనాలండి దాన్ని? స్ట్రోక్స్ అంటారా, షాట్స్ అంటారా, ఏమంటారు? ఎనీవే దట్ ఛాన్స్ ఈస్ గివెన్ ఓవర్ దేర్. 6 or 3 times వీళ్ళు చేయాలి, 3 times ఎవరైతే గోల్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళకు. ఎస్, సో దట్ వుడ్ బి ద కేస్ లా ఆఫ్ దిస్ వన్. అంటే సార్ ఇది సిలబస్ లో ఉన్నాయా సార్? గివ్ మీ ద ఆన్సర్ వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద సిలబస్ ఆర్ నాట్.
Syllabus only.
It is a part and parts of the syllabus. Then it comes under the rule of interpretation. That to be the secondary rule of interpretation. అయితే సెకండరీ రూల్ లో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయండి? మొత్తం 6 ఉన్నాయి. మొత్తం సార్ రాను రాను ఒకటి పెంచుతాను రేంటి సార్? నాట్ పెంచడం. దేర్ ఆర్ 6. 5 కాదు, ఇది 6. యూ హ్యావ్ టు చేంజ్ ఇట్ హియర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ 5, ఇట్ ఈస్ 6. బికాస్ ఐ ఫౌండ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా. I think so a few days back I found contemporanea exposito este fortissima in lege. This is also one of the language maxim I found it. Then I said, let Professor Hussain students should know all the maxims which are there, which are said to be the law language canons are the secondary principles. That the 6th maxim, tomorrow we will see it. That is the meaning contemporaneous exposition is the best and strongest in law. It is said that the best exposition of statute or any other document that which it has. That is its meaning. So contemporanea exposito est fortissima in lege means what is the contemporary exposition at the time. That will be taken into consideration, but not what are the changes would come out later on will not be given the preference. That is called contemporanea exposition is the best and strongest in law. That is we will see it tomorrow. Yes, any other question that you would like to ask, you please ask me. Yes, any other question that you would like to ask, you can ask me now.
No, sir.
Yeah, because here I told you that these are hidden in under the secondary principles, that is language canons, language rules. So the court will interpret by using any one of the canons or the principles or secondary rules of language which are stated in 6. So 5 you dealt it, because generally these canons will be asked in the short questions. Suppose if they ask what are the secondary rules in the interpretation of statutes are concerned, at the time can you write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? How many would write? It is the 15 marks question. Anyone?
3.
Give me the answer.
3, sir. 3.
You write only 3. Better. Even you write total 6, but you do one thing. You show the 6, at least write half of total 6. I'm sure you will get the good marks. If you write only 2, rest 4 you have forgotten, then he'll say, that examiner say, this man doesn't know. There are 6 canons are there, but he wrote only 4. You write the 6, but when the time permits, you deal in a nutshell manner all 6, rather than writing 2 in a full length, 4 you leaving blank. Please try to use and try to justify it. Any doubt? Any clarity?
No, sir. Okay.
Yes. So now what I want to say is, you write 6.
We are living one by one.
Yes. You write 6. Anyway, because people are not, they don't want to waste their time, because they want to do any other business. Even I don't want to drag you. 2 minutes are over. Thank you very much for patiently listening to me, and we will meet you next day, tomorrow, on the same timings. Up to that extent, I would like to say goodbye. Have a good day. Yes, sir. Banin మీద కనబడుతున్నారు సార్ మీరు. Yes. సారు శివకుమార్ గారు బనిన్ మీద ఉన్నారు. బనిన్ మీద కనబడకండి మాకు. You are there. I could see you there. Leave meeting. Yes, leave meeting.
Namaste.
Yeah, Shivakumar garu బనిన్ వేసుకొని ఉన్నారు.